Okay, complement proteins and their functions. First, we are going to look at anophylla toxins. They are C3A and C5A. Both C3A and C5A got A, and anophylla toxins got A as the first letter. So we can easily remember by this. Anophylla toxins are C3A and C5A. From this, the most potent anophylla toxin is C3A. C3A is the most potent anophylla toxin. It's very important. And when we talk about C5A, C5A is involved in LOX pathway. C5A involved in LOX pathway. Okay. Next is opsonization. Potent opsonins are C1Q, C4B, C3B. C1Q, C4B, C3B are potent opsonins. Okay. In classical pathway, there will be decreased C1, C2, C4, C3. C1, C2, C3, C4. Okay. There will be normal B, factor B. Okay. So alternative pathway, there will be decreased B, C3, and others are normal. There will be decrease in B and C3, but others are normal. So when we talk about disease related to these factors, if there is a decrease in C inhibitor, it causes hereditary angioneurotic edema. This is for systemic lupus erythematosus. There will be the factors responsible for or involved are C1, C2 and C4. Okay, if you look at this L, we can interpret it as 1. Okay, and if E S 4, and if we invert this S, it look like 2. So this is SLE involved are C1, C2, C4. Bacteremia or toxoplasmosis. The involved factors are C5, C6, C7, C8 and C inhibitory. Recurrent pyogenic infections. For recurrent pyogenic infections, involved factors are C3, IC3B, inhibitory C3B. C3 and IC3B are responsible for recurrent pyogenic infections. And the factor which is not involved in any disease is C9.